Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. No face cam because we're doing an unboxing and then we're gonna do some nails and we're gonna have a guest. But this was sent over to us from Nail Reserve. Thank you, Nail Reserve. Let's see what's in here. All these little paper worms, how exciting. Let's move them though. Here we go, we have 6 beautiful polish bottles. They're dusty though from the worms. Let's get them out. All right, so here's what we have. Nail Reserve reached out to me and let me pick out 6 colors to try out for you guys and review. And so these are the ones I've picked. I got this white one. It is called White Addict. This nude one called Royal Nude. Yellow called Electric Yellow. Electric Orange. And Electric Red. These are all from the same series. And then we have Dragon Claw. That sounds very fancy. We are gonna look at each one of them up close. So for the first one, let's look at White Addict. Okay, so here we have, it is a smooth, creamy white. It is very opaque. It doesn't appear to be milky. And it is bright and stunning and a very good classic white, a staple color. Next we have Royal Nude. Look at that. That is a beautiful nude shade. It is also creamy and opaque. I think this is a really nice complementary color for my skin tone, which is why I picked it out. And let's look at these electrics. Electric Yellow. I don't know if the camera is showing you what it's showing me, but this is neon. This is highlighter. And the way that it's looking on the brush, it does look like it may actually even be able to be used sheerly and then buildable, which I actually like polishes like that because sometimes I want them to be a little translucent. But that is so pretty and so exciting. I wonder if the orange will be just as vibrant. Wow, and it is. In the camera, this almost leans red, but this is orange, like traffic cone orange, but with a lit from within glow. It is right. If you love orange, this is the orange for you. Now, Electric Red. This one I am curious. Red is not a highlighter or neon color, but like, let's see what it looks like. Aha! And so this one is that classic like lipstick red. It's not neon, it's not highlighter, but it is bright, and I would say it still is electric. Like, it's vibrant, like it's as red can get. This is redder than a fire truck, redder than a red crayon. It's red, like not leaning. It's not purpley, it's not pinky, it's not even orangey. This is red. I don't know if the camera is showing you its true redness because it almost looks a little orange to me, which is interesting since that orange was a little red leaning in the camera. But I hope in the playback it's just the monitor and you can see how red this actually is. And this one, this is the one I'm the most curious about, Dragon Claw. Ooh. So when I was picking this color, I was trying to go for a bit of a brown, but this one is hitting me more in like the army green type of color. Like, I don't think I would call this a brown. I guess it's in the brown family maybe, because like it does have that muddy green vibe. I don't know if this is exactly what I was expecting. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's not. I think I was expecting it to be more of a traditional brown, but you know how screens can be sometimes. Colors can be a little bit different depending on your device and your screen resolution and your color settings, all that good stuff. But it is still just as creamy, just as opaque, just as smooth as those others of this cream consistency. It's not that sheery kind of business like those electrics, but it's still very beautiful and I am going to still use it. It is interesting. And just before we hop into the set real quick, I just wanted to let you know that I did put the Nail Reserve link in the description with a discount code. They gave me a 50% off discount code. That is my biggest discount code yet, and certainly bigger than most that I see, at least in my social media endeavors. So 50% is massive. I recommend you check it out. If you're needing to stock up on gel polish and high quality gel polish, this is the route to go. These are pretty large bottles, 15 milliliter, which is a pretty large industry standard. So I would definitely grab these. Here are the ingredients if you want to pause, if you can read it. And then it looks like it says that it does cure for 30 seconds on an LED light and 2 minutes on UV, which is also the standard. Nail Reserve is 21 formula free, which is a massive amount of toxic chemicals that they are not using. They are cruelty free, healthy, long-lasting, vegan, and they do ship internationally. So if you are not in the US and you need some good gel polishes, they are available internationally. Do check their website for more details about that to see if they are shippable to your country specifically, but they may very well be. All right, enough about that for now. Let's get into the nails. All right, so we have our hand model. We're gonna do some nails here. And so firstly, we're gonna do a little buff because these are shiny, as you can see, and it doesn't stick well to shiny. So let's buff these up real quick. All right, got those buffed so that they will be ready to accept product, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna go in with base coat. We're using Madame Glam because that's what we have. And then in the lamp. All right, so we've got all those base coated in. Now we are gonna go in and put down some colors. We're gonna use these three for our primaries. So let's start with the red one. And so we're gonna do these first two fingers in this color. It is very, very vibrant. Goodness gracious. It does kind of have like a pinky aura, I guess, because like it's red and you can see it's red, but when you thin it out, spreading it on the fingernail, it does kind of glow with that pinkness. And I guess that's the electric part. And look how good that goes on. Like, I can see visible nail line, but also it's like not patchy in any way, and so that's really good coverage. I may not even have to do a second coat with coverage like that. Alright, now the next one is gonna be this nude color. Let's look at this one. Okay, so this one's definitely more creamy, as we expect. Let me point this down a little bit. We'll get up in here. And then pinky, we're gonna go in with this guy. Oh yeah, that is very much greener than it looked like on the website. But that's okay, because it's still a good color and it's still a naturally planty shade, which works for our plan. Alrighty, and then these will go 30 seconds in the lamp. Alright, so we've got our colors down, and what we're gonna do is now we're gonna go in and decorate, and I am going to do a sunflower theme. So like, for example, we've got these water decals that we're gonna use to snazz these up, and you use this to stick them to, and then you'll need, of course, some water and then a brush to stick it on there. But I'll show you. You've seen it before, but I'll show you again anyway. So you get us one of these, and you put it on here, and then you get some water on a brush and you saturate it a little bit. And so the water will soak into the paper, releasing the paper from the sticker, and then allow you to easily put that onto the nail. You test it, it'll start to slide when it's ready. I hope I didn't forget to take the plastic off, I can't tell. Nope, there we go. Yeah, that's looking good. Now, with these, they can be a bit transparent, so the color you put them on matters. It can affect the way the vibrancy is, so if you're concerned about that, you can paint the back of it with white just to make it a little bit more visible, but then you have to cure it. So we're gonna go ahead and use this the way that it is, and we're gonna line it up down through this so you can see what you're doing. So we're gonna start with this nail over here. So we're gonna look, or I'm gonna look, and you're gonna see. So see it in there, and we press it down, and that's gonna stick to that tacky layer. See? Very cute. Now let me put the other side on, and then make sure you're tapping off your excess water so it doesn't interfere with it being able to stick down. Scoot this one over a little bit. If I can. It may not scoot because this sticky is so strong. It's not wanting to go, but there we go. I think we got a little bit of slide. So now when these two go together, it's a little flower. Let's do the next one. On the next one, we're gonna do just a few of these little loose ones. Okay, so we've got us a big one. Let's stick him in here. How about right there? That looks good, eh? Yes. That's looking pretty cute, but I am going to stick in this little heart too. There we go. Got it on there, I just had to do a twist. That's cute though. All right, now for this guy, I think we might actually just stick us a couple of these on. Yeah, that's pretty cute. We got a little debris, fantastic. Love cat hairs. All right, so let's do the thumb. All right, so we've got this big one, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and put it kind of like down here or up here. I think down here is going to be our better one. Yeah, that looks good. What y'all think? All right, so this is our decoration. I'm thinking it's pretty schmancy. Now, I am considering whether we should put like some white dots, but I kind of don't think so. I think we should leave it the way that it is. I am digging it pretty well. It's pretty cute. And we can just seal all these in, and then we'll get some photos, but let me get this top coat put on. We'll go ahead and use Madame Glam for that as well. Okay, so we have them coated. They're looking good. Let me just peek this in for y'all. Looking real fly. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and start inserting photos here so that you can look at them while I'm wrapping this up. So, my opinion, Nail Reserve. I really like it. I think it went on well. These red ones I did only end up doing the one coat. The other ones I did two. They are opaque and they are creamy. They are smooth. They cured quickly and completely. They had the sticky layer as per usual, which aided in sticking these water decals on, and I think they are going to be durable and lasting. They're definitely high quality, and we did talk about the benefits of them earlier, so do check that link in the description. It'll take you directly to their website. It's an affiliate link, so if you do use that and make a purchase, I may earn a commission, and then there is also that discount code down there as well. It is 50% off, but I'll put it on the screen for you. So let me know, what do you think of these nails? Do you like them? Do you like the theme that I picked out? Do you like the colors that I picked out? That green was not a color that I thought it was. I thought it was a brown, but I still like it. It's a good color. And then those neons. Tell me, what do you think of those neons? I'm going to find an opportunity to use those. But that will be it. I'll wrap it up here. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your interaction, your likes, your comments, all that good stuff. Definitely do make sure that you are subscribed so you're not missing any videos that I post. And make sure you're following my socials because stuff goes over there that doesn't always make it over here. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.